Good day everyone, today we have Kaeser ASK35T unit. It's a 22 kilowatts over 3000 cubic meters per minute screw air compressor uh, produced in Germany. This unit specifically is made in 2007 and it looks like brand new. According to odometer, it has only around 2000 working hours. So according to maintenance interval, this compressor is fully maintained and it's 3000 hours left until regular service. So let's start the compressor and see how it builds pressure. And also compressor is connected to 750 liters air receiver. This unit it's up to 8 bars, so let's see how it builds pressure. So we just have removed the hatches, cover for the compressor, so you can see that the working condition of the machine and that there are no oil leaks or something bigger in the effect, so everything's work pretty much imperfect. So thank you for watching and see you next time.